Alright friends, in this lesson we will learn how to handle multiple exceptions in Java programming. So what if multiple errors can happen? Sometimes more than one type of error can happen inside the same try block. So to handle each error properly, we can use multiple catch blocks. Here I change it from 2 to 0 and you see it will cause arithmetic exception. We have seen this. And let's define another exception. I come here, I say integer, I define an array, and then I say numbers. So I separate for 10 numbers. I separate a place for 10 numbers. And then I assign numbers, for example, at my 20 index to my 21th element. I assign something. Let's assign 5, for example. It's impossible. It will cause array index out of bounds exception. So my first exception is this. When I run my code, when I run it, you see index 20 out of bounds for length 10. So I have two exceptions. For this kind of situation, I can define multiple exceptions. So I come here. So instead of exception, I can specify it. I delete this and then I say array index out of bounds exception, and then I say E. So I print my message after that. So I define one more exception. So that's why I open my catch block again. So what's my exception type? Is arithmetic exception. Arithmetic exception. I say E, and then I open my curly braces. Inside this, I print this message. I can do that. So when I do that, each catch block is responsible for handling one specific type of exception. When I run it, it always catch the first exception. So I run it right now. You see index 20 out of bounds for length 10. It enters this catch block. If I change their place, I cut it and then I paste here. So I run again. I save it, I run again. You see divide by 0 exception appears. So it goes enter this catch block. I hope you understand it.